Jackson straws. Last time we went to the Disney store, they had Stitch Crash's Disney stuffed animals. So I thought we could draw the February version. But before we start this video, please subscribe so you won't miss out. This is what my drawing looks like, and this is what the stuffed animal looks like. We are going to be drawing the stuffed animal. This is Stitch Crash's Lady and the Tramp. If you haven't seen that movie, go watch it and then go see Lilo and Stitch. So then it will kind of make sense. Ready? Let's draw. So first, I am gonna draw the meatball on Stitch's head. I'm gonna draw a curve like this, but not too long. And then draw a line and then curve around, but keep this part flat. That was way too easy. Now time for the meatball. Draw a round curve like that. And now curve it a little bit in like this. Voila! Next, we are gonna draw the spaghetti coming out. We are gonna draw squiggles and then connect it in. Now we are gonna draw the lines for the spaghetti. Just draw wavy and then just keep going. That seems like enough spaghetti on his head. Now time for Stitch's head. I am gonna draw a round circle and then kind of leave a corner. Like this. Now under it, I'm gonna draw a little line under it. Like this. Now for Stitch's nose. I am gonna draw a curve, and now up, and then connect. Now let's curve. Now add a curve on each side for his nostrils. Now it's time for Stitch's eyes. I'm gonna draw a curve up like this, maybe a little bit higher, and then down and curve. Now I'm gonna put a circle at the top right corner for the front. So we're gonna leave the giant tear shape, color the tear shape, but leave the tiny circle white. There, we colored it. Now time for the other eye. Curve. And make a teardrop. Now add another circle, coloring everything but the circle. And there. So then it will look like the other eye. There. Now time to add this part around Stitch. I am first gonna draw the eyebrow. First, just make a line around and keep tracing over. Now just curve around at this corner and just go up. And then you may want to trace around so then people can see his eyebrow. And remember, you can get this stuffed animal at the Disney store. And for 2021, Stitch is gonna crash Disney. This is the February version. So now time for the other eye. Curve around. And there. Now time for his ears. So first I am gonna curve till here. Now I'm gonna add a tiny V. Now keep going and then stop right about here. and then curve back in. Now time for the other side. I'm gonna curve like this, and then a tiny shape. And now the same thing, but keep going, and then by the very top add the V. There, Stitch's face. Now let's draw his body. I am first going to draw his hands. And right here, I'm going to add a circle. Not for the hand, but for his legs. Now I'm going to add 4 bumps. And there. But now, we're going to add a curve shape by it, like this, for Stitch's arm right here. And now we are going to draw the same bumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. You just got to draw 4, and that is enough. Now time for the part of his stomach. Just draw a straight line, and now for the other side of his arm. We're going to curve around all the way, but then right here add a toenail, and now draw the other foot. And first draw a circle inside of these two. I forgot to mention that. So 4 bumps, connect this, 4 bumps. And now we're done with drawing Stitch. And also add a curve at the top of the meatball. Forgot to mention that. And now let's color. I'm going to color the meatball this brownish color. That kind of looks the same. I am going to color it. So just color in it. And don't worry about the curve you already made inside. There, the meatball is colored. Now time for the patterning on Stitch's stomach. I'm going to add a couple of lines. And now just a line. And then just do this. And now just add a couple of lines. And now one line down on a couple of lines down on the stomach. And now a couple long. There. Now we're done with his stomach. Now I'm going to color the meatball. I'm going to color it as the spaghetti. I'm going to color it light dark yellow. It's just normal yellow. Doesn't have to be shiny. And now I'm going to color in this too. And on the other side. Now, oh, I forgot to tell. Get your red marker or crayon or whatever you're using and draw the details you draw on his stomach and mouth on the ears. There. And now we're gonna color the nose red also. And the spaghetti. And part of the spaghetti. There. It's starting to look like the picture. Now I'm gonna take this red and color right here and in this circle. And now I'm gonna make the meatball pattern. I'm gonna probably draw one here, 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 and one here, and one down here. And now one on this toe. I'm gonna add one right by this circle. And now I'm kind of going to darken them. Just use the brownish color and color in the meatballs. I don't know I told you red, but just use this. It works way better, the brown. I'm using brown, but you can use the red. I just think the brown would look better. So, color, color, color. And now, I'm gonna do one here. About one tiny here and here. One up here. The color on this. Here. Here. And I think that's all on his ear. Now let's draw some on his face. One here by his nose, one by his eye, one here, two and right there, one right there, there. And now I'm gonna use a lighter yellow to color in everything. Or a darker, up to you. After all, it is your Stitch Crash's Lady and the Tramp. Keep coloring. One around just color almost everything you can see. Just leaving these white. And the toenails. There, it's colored. Now we are going to draw the basil. I'm going to use this darkest green. I'm going to add one about right here. And draw just a curve and color it in. And just keep doing that. Just draw it anywhere you want, or where mine is. You won't get it exactly, but you can get it close. Now one about on the ear. Tiny one here. One there. And that seems like enough. Now, it's done. Your Lady in the Stitch Crash's Lady and the Tramp is done. And remember, Disney Store is doing Stitch Crash's Disney. If you like this video, please subscribe. Or else when you're eating spaghetti and meatball, your Stitch will come alive and crash it and all of it will be on him. See you next time.